guys, and welcome to a mail call unboxing. Hope you're having a good evening or a good morning, depending when you're watching it. It's Monday. I got back home from work today, and this was in my postbox from JJ Shaves, John June. Check out his channel. I'll leave a link in the description to JJ Shaves. Check out his channel. He's a great guy. And I've already poured the beverage. It's I'm loving the Scrumpy Jack at the moment, and this one's for you, Mark. 6%. So cheers, guys. All the best. I'm off work tomorrow, or today, whenever you're watching it. That's why I'm drinking. I don't drink when I've got work the next day. Right. So yeah, he contacted me and he said, I've got a couple of razors I want you to try. So I'm looking forward to it. So I've got Draper to help me. So let's get this open. Now, John June is an absolute genius at his art and craft. He's the inventor of the JJ Shorty. It's a straight razor. I should have brought it down to show you, but you can check his site anyway. He was the inventor of the JJ Shorty for the beginner to straight shaving. I've used it once. I started okay, and then it frightened the crap out of me. But I'm not giving up. I'm going to try it again. So here we go, guys. Right. Oh, you gave me the premium. Very, always well packaged from JJ. Always very secure. And he's the only vendor of these razors. And it's Razorini or Razorini, made in Italy. Now, the Razorini, ooh, thanks for the little note, Jay. Thanks, buddy. Now, I'll always give a good shout out for Jay. He's not just a genuine guy, and oh, wow, such packaging. That is superb. He's not just a really nice guy. He's a brother in not just wet shaving. He's ex-forces as well. As I'm ex-forces, I will always support somebody. Oh my God, that is beautiful. Is this the nickel plated, Jay? It looks nickel plated, and he's the only one that puts the enamel in the name. Razorini or Razorini, made in Italy, and he's the only vendor that supplies these. And he does restoration as well with straights and DE razors as well. He's a bit like the Razor Emporium of the UK. Absolutely, you can see the passion and the heart he puts into the hobby. He really is a great guy. I'm looking forward to trying this. I've seen Gary Shaves use this at the weekend. I'm really looking forward to trying that. The presentation and package is superb. So I don't know when it'll be, because I've got shaves planned, but I will certainly be giving that a go. This is what I'm really looking forward to. He's the only vendor. I'm not sure, did you actually invent this, Jay? Please let me know in the comments, mate. And I'm not sure if you came up with this idea. If you did, it's absolutely a genius idea. Or whether you had something to do with it. and it's the Razorini Flat Boy. I've been so looking forward to trying this because when I watched John on his video Use His, when he was introducing it into our community, he's the only vendor that supplies this, and I'm pretty sure he invented it. Wow. No enamel on this. But I've seen the one that you used, Jay, and it had the enamel. It's an excellent touch, and it reminds me of the pills because it is a complete flat head. So the shaving angle is going to be completely different. A bit like the Pills razor that I used. I might put it up here or up here when I use the Pills, because that's completely flat head, and the shaving angle is not your typical 30 degree. It's like a 45. So the shaving angle is different. I made up with the choice of handle that you sent me, Jay. It's all nickel plated as well. He's the only guy in the UK that nickel plates razors. If you want anything nickel plated, and he does a polished. If you've got a 6S as well, a Rockwell 6S, sorry, and you send it off to JJ, he'll nickel plate it for you as well, or he'll polish it up for you. I like the handle. He does a selection handles as well. This is just one that he sent me, but he does do a selection of handles, and you can see how flat that is. So your angle isn't going to be there, it's going to be more like there. I'm looking forward to trying this. It won't be on the next shave, and it won't be on the Friday shave. It might be the week after, because I've got shaves planned. But that is beautiful. He's a true artist, genius in his craft. Right, I'm not on commission or anything like that. He's just a great guy, and he's a genuine guy. Excuse me. Let's have another drink, get rid of the hiccups. This is exceptional work. There's not a flaw on it. So I'll give this a good go and I'll let you know, John. Right, so that is the Razorini Flat Boy and the Razorini. So I'm looking forward to trying these, guys. This is going to be some kind of experience with the yeah, looking forward to it. Anyway, thank you so much, guys, for joining me. Looking forward to trying these. I'll see you in the next video. I'll probably see you tomorrow for the next shave. Thanks, guys. Take care, stay smooth, and stay safe. Bye.